First, Kelly's peeling apples, but she doesn't have a real peeling knife. She is making, what are you making? You're making French toast with...
Yeah, and I'm gonna cook up some apples to put on top of it. So do a little bit of a, kind of like a caramel apple to put over the top, since we haven't had French toast in forever.
And the French toast that she makes, obviously we don't use eggs. So this is great if you're out of eggs and you want to make French toast still, or just try something different. You use a...
There's banana.
Banana instead of eggs. So you get a ripened banana for the French toast, which you're really going to like it. It's delicious. It's something totally different. This might just be your favorite French toast recipe.
Okay, I'm putting in my cut up apples. I'm just gonna let these cook up. Let them go for 4 or 5 minutes at least. We need to get them softened up. Okay. So while the apples are cooking, I'm gonna put my banana in. It's a really ripe banana. Just one of them in there. And then with that, whatever kind of non-dairy milk. I need about half a cup, so I am actually going to measure this, otherwise it will get too soupy. Half a cup goes in there. And with that, you want some maple syrup. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons in. And some flour. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of that in as well. Vanilla extract, maybe half a teaspoon or so. You just don't want to go crazy with it. A little dash of oil, maybe about a teaspoon. And then whatever kind of spice you want to it, I use cinnamon. Just put a couple dashes in there. You can put nutmeg in there if you like nutmeg, anything like that you like. And then just a little dash of salt and a little bit of pepper. And we're just going to put the lid on and stir my apples up a little bit here. Some people, when they're doing this, they'll put butter in there too. I don't want the extra calories, but you can put butter in if you like. Turn this on, and we just want to blend this up. Nice and creamy. Until we're ready for it. Just need to keep continuing to cook up the apples. Pour this in here so I can dunk my bread in. The apples are starting to get a little softer now. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on here. And some coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar, but I like coconut sugar quite a bit. just a couple tablespoons.
Everybody's wishing they had smell-o-vision right now.
Let that continue for a couple more minutes. And now I'm going to add a splash of my milk in there. Whatever kind of plant-based milk, or if you don't want to go do vegan, you can do any kind of milk. And this kind of just needs to simmer and cook up a little bit. Now it's cooked up here quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the heat and just set it aside. This is the kind of bread I have right now. We don't eat a lot of bread, but I bought this one. I thought Tyler was going to be here with us. Got it from Aldi. It's really good. It's a thicker, crunchier type of bread. You don't want to use anything that's too soft or too fresh. You can go, they do have thick cut bread that you could buy at the store as well. It's a regular like white bread, but if you're going to buy that, I wouldn't use it right away. I'd let it sit for several days so it's not as soft, because it will kind of tear it up a little bit. We're going to just put this in here. Let's make sure the pan is nice and hot.
Pretty much, so always stick to your pan a little bit no matter what you use and what you do. Non-stick pans, a little bit of oil, don't matter. Just gotta be careful with it.
Check the edge over here. Whoa. Getting there. Oh, you can see right where the element is under the pan where it gets hotter. I'm going to let the other one sit in a couple minutes. Almost done. See how this looks. Good. You can just go ahead and put it on the plate. And then I'll grab just put a little bit over the top here. If you want more of a sauciness to this, you could just add more of the milk and your sugar to it and just let it cook up a little bit more. And then just drizzle a little bit of maple syrup over the top if you want. Some people like to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over the top of it. You could do that as well.
Yummy.